are you all doing? Welcome back to another video, guys. I have an unboxing today. Okay, remember my chin chin video? I was talking about buying a stand mixer. The stand mixer is here. I am so excited about this one. Look at it, guys. Stand mixer is over here. It's over here, guys. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I was thinking about KitchenAid or Cuisinart. So I went online. I went to the KitchenAid website. I went to Cuisinart website just to see the one that I feel would be good. Money wise. It has to depend on the price as well. KitchenAid is way up there. Yeah, the reviews are good, and KitchenAid is top notch. Is one of the top kitchen appliances you can find out there in the market, same as Cuisinart also. But Cuisinart has also beautiful reviews for cheaper prices than the KitchenAid. I would have preferred the KitchenAid, but it works as fine as the Cuisinart. You still have to buy all of those crazy attachments, apart from what you get here in the box, costing so much, at the end of the day. So I just went with the Cuisinart. Okay, so guys, let's unbox this bad boy together. Okay, so guys, this is the one I got. Like I said, is a 5.5 quarts stand mixer. Okay, so this is the Precision Master. Okay, 500 watts. It's a powerful enough for heavy mixing tasks. It has a large capacity bowl, and it has a 12 speed dial. Okay, so with three accessories included. Okay, and it also comes with splash guards. All right, so this is the, I think this one came out 3 years ago from the Cuisinart brand, because I looked at a ton of review on it just to make sure I'm getting, if I'm spending the money, I want to make sure I get good quality stuff that will last me for a long time. So I've noticed that buying quality stuff, although you pay a little bit more, but you enjoy what you buy. And this has a 3 years warranty. Okay, it comes with a 3 years warranty, so anything happens to it within 3 years, I can always take it back to Cuisinart, and they either fix it or they give me a brand new one. Okay, so all of the accessories are BPA free, which is good. Okay, guys, so I got this from Amazon, and this one is the black color. It comes in red, comes in I think silver, it comes in blue, and I just got the black one. Okay, guys, so let's open it up and see what it looks inside. Okay, it's a huge box, guys, so just bear with me as I try to open it up. Let me make sure the box doesn't get beat up. Okay, so this how it comes with the booklet, so you can read and also know how it functions. Okay, so let me open it now, and we can see this is the inside, what it looks like. Heavy duty. Okay, guys, look at it. It's so pretty. I so much love it, guys. Well, I like the black color because a lot of people were going for the red. Red is always out of stock, but the black was in stock, so I just got the black, and the black had a little bit discount on it. I guess maybe nobody wanted the black or something, I don't know, but I just got the black, and it's such a pretty black, a very beautiful black. This is the bowl. It says the bowl is die cast metal, 500 motor wax, 5.5 quarts bowl. you know, with 12 speed. Wow, I really love it. I really love it, guys. So these are the accessories. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different accessories, guys. So this is one. This is the whisk, you know, and this is the dough hook. Let me just take it out of the plastic. This is the dough hook it came with. I think this is the cookie. They want to, you know, mix up the flour for cookies. And this is the splash guard. So this is the splash guard, so that when you are mixing and you pour in your liquid stuff, it doesn't splash all over the place. So you just cover it like so. You know, from all the reviews I've been looking at, you know. So this one also is another one of it as well, for you to be able to, you know, pour in your stuff when you are mixing. Okay, guys, I really love this one. I also got a cover, you know, for the stand mixer. You can cover it, you know. I'll show you that one in a moment. Okay, so guys, I really love this one. I love it so much. Okay, guys, this is the cover I was telling you about. You can use to cover this. All right, so this is from Amazon. You know, if you have Amazon Prime, they will you know, ship it to you very fast. Okay, so let me just open it up now, so we can see what the cover looks like. Okay, this is what the cover looks like. It comes in this beautiful pouch like so. So you can open it up. It has the quilted design. So open it up like so. Inside is white. It looks good. It looks good. Also have 2 pockets here, 1 pocket, and another one there. So sitting on top of your counter, you're just gonna cover it like so, and voila, this is what it looks like. It looks good. It looks really good, at least to prevent, you know, dust from settling on your stand mixer. This is so good. I really like it. Okay, guys, I will start using this stand mixer, you know, to be bringing you recipes of my interest, you know, and I will also do another video to tell you how, you know, the stand mixer works good. So should, in case you are interested in getting this stand mixer, okay, but with the brand Cuisinart, you should know that you will get nothing less than good performance from this stand mixer. All right, guys, till I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.